In doing some research, I ordered a chicken and an egg. I'll let you know. Hey to all my runners out there, I'm Miles Borchik and this is Miles Be Running. Today we're going to talk about the 5 pieces of gear that every beginner runner should have. Let's just dive right into it. Number 5, a good pair of sunglasses. That's right, I'm talking about something that won't slip and fall and still keep the sun out of your eyes, keep you focused on the road and the trail ahead of you. In the past, I've had cheap sunglasses where I'm constantly pushing them up on my face and it's just distracting. You want something to help you stay focused. So get a good pair of sunglasses. These ones are the Shady Rays. I love these. I've had a few pairs of these now. Check out the link below for a discount and the description for more info. Number 4 on the list, you're going to need some sort of hydration or storage system. I've got a hydration vest and a fanny pack. You can get some sort of other hydration belt. This is for my shorter runs and this is for my longer runs. I can put just about everything in here, from a jacket to a house in this 12-liter Vaprorkrar hydration vest. This one's good for a couple gels as well as phone and keys. What I like about it is nice and tight. I got this one at TJ Maxx. Yeah, baby. It's not Ross, Just for Less, but it's TJ Maxx. Oh yeah. I'm all about the thrifts. Number 3 on the list, you need clothes that are going to be comfortable. And I'm talking about a good pair of running shorts. For me, I like a couple pockets that are tight, not too loose. This one has 5 pockets, one on the back. You can put an actual phone in there or keys. And then these ones are for gels or whatever other nutrition that you want to put in them. They're not too long, not too short, just perfect, not too baggy. I love these shorts. These are I believe they're the Patagonia Striders 5-inch. So I definitely suggest these pairs. So get a good pair of shorts. Number 2 on the list, you're going to need a good watch. And the reason why, it helps you track your progress and keeps you accountable for the day, whatever the run or workout might be. I love this Garmin Forerunner series. This is the 245 music. I can actually download music to it and put my headphones or an Audible book. Amazing. I also love the Forerunner 245 because it has good buttons. I don't like the touch screen as in some Apple Watches. My fingers might be sweaty on my run and I'm not getting that precision that I need. So the buttons are great for that precision, clicking exactly what you need. And also, if you get the 245 or other newer Garmin watches, they come with the Garmin Coach. Garmin Coach is amazing because it comes with videos and articles as well as training programs that you can use to help you meet your goals, whether it's 5K to a full marathon. The Garmin Coach is amazing. I believe there's 3 different coaches. I'm using the Jeff Galloway. Definitely recommend that guy. Number 1 on the list is you're going to need a good pair of running shoes. Go to a running store. Get them to fit you. A good running store will have a treadmill there and they'll test your running gait. After they check the gait, they're going to size you and see which shoes fit for you. Now my suggestion is try on as many pairs as you can, go home, come back later, do your research as well, do your homework. Good running stores will have a price match. So if you find those shoes for less, those exact same shoes for less, that store will price match it and you can get it that day instead of waiting a week for a good pair of running shoes. One place to do some good homework is Running Warehouse. I've bought in several items from there, whether it's shoes or other running equipment. I've bought them from there. And they're a really great place to do some homework and research on. Down below are links and product descriptions to the items that I use of those 5 categories. Comment below what products you guys use. I would love to know. If you think that there's a different category of items that should be added to the list, I would also love to hear about that. Thanks so much for watching. Happy training, y'all.